I put it on at night and I feel like I am Xenon Z3 entering the intergalactical world.
Be the real love that I need. I'm searching for love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is soulfulabby and I like to make videos about home, fashion, beauty, and so much more. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into today's video, shall we? Okay. So today guys, I am reviewing this First Aid Beauty eye cream. It's called the First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. Let's take a look. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up and I don't want to pour any out. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's like a peachy color, and that's what it looks like on the inside. This product retails for $36. I picked mine up at Sephora. I'm pretty sure you can get it at other places, but I got mine from Sephora. It's $36. It comes with half a fluid ounce and 15 milliliters. It's for normal to dry skin. The skin conditions it said that it targets and addresses is fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dryness. It's part of Sephora's Clean Beauty, so it has less than 50 ingredients in it. I don't know what that really means, but it has less than 50 ingredients in it. Let me also, just so you know, it has pumpkin seed extract used in it. It uses niacinamide. Niacinamide is good for uneven skin tones and dark circles. It also comes with peach micro pearls, and I think that's where they missed the mark. More on that to come. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna dip my finger in, and you can see it's kind of runny. I'm taking the back of my hand. And this is sometimes hard to show, but okay, so you kind of see that sheen. There's a little bit of a sheen to it with the peach micro pearls. It's virtually, to me, unscented or low scented. It just smells like unscented lotion. So there's not much fragrance, if any at all. So virtually unscented. I appreciate that it's unscented. I like this container. I like the texture. I like the way it feels. It feels good on my hands. I think you get a decent amount of product in this. I use this at night, not in the morning, because honestly, I don't really have time to be having a morning, like a 15-part morning skincare routine. So I just use this at night. It feels good, but y'all, I do not like the micro pearls, the peach micro pearls. It leaves a sheen on it. And the sheen is silver. I put it on at night and I feel like I am Xenon Z3 entering the intergalactical world. I feel like I'm part of Star Trek or Star Wars, and I am not here for it. The OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Brightening Eye Cream, a lot of people love that. I felt like it was hydrating, but I didn't really see much of a difference. And I think the issue is with these eye creams is when you start adding the glitter and the sparkles. What's going on? What's going on? Now, name any other skincare product that has glitter in it. What benefit is that doing? Makeup, I completely understand. But is this an eye cream or is this a eye primer? You let me know. The silver in here, I would argue almost that like this is not black girl or person of color or someone even like deeper than maybe an olive skin tone friendly. And it's because of that silver. It just doesn't look great on the eye area. Maybe if they came out with this, but like with like gold under like flakes or gold glitter, it might work better, but it does not. I typically don't watch review videos before I film videos, but I was like, is this happening to anyone else? And I watched this young man's video about this cream, and he really enjoyed it. Excuse me, let me not assume his gender. A young individual's video, and the person really enjoyed it. They said that like they were white and they liked this because it brightened their eyes, so in the morning they would seem and appear more awake. And I feel like it has an adverse effect on people of color. I feel like it makes your eyes look crusty in the morning. And crusty, like there's a crust, like silver crust around your eyes in the morning. That's what I found with this eye cream. I'm going to try to insert a clip, like a demo clip, and I'll show you me putting it on at night and then me waking up. So y'all, it is nighttime and I have just finished cleansing my face with the Kiehl's Calendula cleanser. So now I'm taking the OLEHENRIKSEN Balancing Force Oil Control Toner, and I'm putting this all over my face with a cotton round. Making sure I'm going upward motions, as you know my favorite skincare gurus be telling me. And as you can see, that cotton pad is clean. All the product is off. So I'm taking the First Aid Beauty or Fab Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream, Eye Duty, and I'm putting that under my eye. Like, it's called like the orbitals, but I'm putting it on top of my eyelids too, just making sure I don't get it too close to my lashes. And I'm putting that all over my face. And yeah, I'm not dipping too many times. I'm just trying to make sure you can see the product on. And as you can see, the product doesn't really dissolve that well, but it is on my face. So now I'm taking the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I think this can be used all over the body. It's in the Intense Hydration, and I'm putting that on my face. I'm slightly trying a new method of skin slugging, but I'm just mainly putting this all over my face in upward motion. And then I'm going to take the excess and I'm going to put that on my neck. So then I'm taking the Fresh Beauty Rose Lip Balm and I'm putting this on my lips. And I'm putting that all over my lips. And I also have a video about this lip balm on my YouTube channel. Check it out, y'all. So now I'm headed to bed. Good night. But one last thing, I'm going to show you guys really briefly. I'm taking the eye cream and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand just so you guys can see. This is in artificial light, but it doesn't necessarily dissolve all that well. Like, you can still see a slight sheen for the brightening effect even at night. So it's the next day and I've woken up. And I'm just kind of showing you guys. You can't really see well on camera, but you can definitely see it in person. There is still some residue from the eye cream left on my face, and there's where it's slightly pilling and creating little balls on the side of my face. You might not be able to see it on video, but every morning when I put this on, I sometimes have flakes, and sometimes there's a little bit of pilling around right here, this area. Ooh, can't really tell now because, you know, the skin and the highlight, the blush, you know, that's just a natural glow in me. But this, unfortunately, y'all, this eye cream is a no for me. I would not suggest it. This isn't my, well, this product, and you also see this in my demo, the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. I'm using this. And this isn't bad. It just doesn't give me that experience that I love. It's not bad, but I'm willing to try First Aid Beauty again, maybe if it's on sale. But this, y'all, this is a bust. This eye cream, it's a no for me, dog. Yeah. Oh, the instructions say after cleansing, gently apply this to the entire orbital eye area, and you can use this day or night. I just typically use it at night, but it's an A for me, y'all. So let me know what you think. Please leave your comments down below in the comment section. Are there any eye creams that you love? A couple people left me some suggestions on my last video about eye creams, and I'm looking to check those out. Please leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now take care. Oh, outro. If anyone cares what's on my eyes today, look at my eye look today. Ain't she cute? Ain't she cute? Ain't she cute? What I have on my eyes today is this NARS palette. I have a video reviewing this. Check it out. I'll leave it in the cards. All right.